Question of the day, and this is a question I get in front of live audiences all the time. TJ, how do you remember what to say? And the answer is, I don't. I don't rely on my memory. Now, I'm pretty comfortable giving speeches and presentations because I enjoy it, and I've given thousands and thousands and thousands of them. Still, there's some level of anxiety that goes on in every single human being's brain when they're standing up in front of an audience. And the memory process, the recall process, doesn't work as well. And frankly, my memory isn't very good to begin with. So I don't even bother testing. I don't want to give extra stress to my memory when I'm standing up and speaking in front of people. So what I do is I cheat. Many of you have heard this before, but it's worth repeating. Have notes. These are a large set of very large font notes. Everything I want to say, this is an hour speech. Now, when I'm doing simple videos like this, how-to tips, what I've done is I've written down in advance a one-sentence title summary topic. I look at it, and I've given some thought to it already because I may have made notes on that subject a week ago, a month ago, sometimes it could even be 2 months ago. So my brain has been thinking about it, processing it. So when I look at the title again, I'm just looking at it for about 2 seconds. I hit record and I just talk and I share what I want to say on that topic. I don't worry about memorizing the exact sentence flow or each paragraph because it isn't planned out that way. It's planned as a conversation where I try to address the question, give people value, and stop. It really is that simple. So don't focus on remembering. If you need something to remember, use a piece of paper. Focus on bringing the idea to life and sharing to make it useful for your audience. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively. If you want to improve your own presentations or media skills, go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com. You can get a couple of my books absolutely free and also learn about upcoming public and private media and presentation training workshops.